Ladies and gentlemen,
Fidget na
the
naman yan.
rabbit. Ha? What are
Elephant!
you saying?
Elephant!
What's panty? This is not panty.
Elephant!
Elephant? Are you sure? Wait, let me check it.
Mia!
Mike! Kuya Zach, I have an idea. I will transform this elephant into a rabbit. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, please hold the magic elephant, two hands, forward, and smile,
Halika dito.
and focus. And I'll get my powerful
Red-red.
Chinese magic wand
Una ng...
from Russia. Okay, Zach, hawakan mo ng dalawang kamay. Very good. Ready, Kuya Zach?
Nasa mga...
One,
Nasa mga...
two, face that way.
Bitawan mo na yung
Smile.
juice. Bitawan mo yung juice.
One, two,
Baliktad yung straw niya.
three. Snake. Wow.
Halika dito, Bing.
Wait.
Punta tayo
Never
sa
mind.
swimming
Yes,
pool.
thank you so much.
Halika nga, may sasabihin tayo si Mami.
What happened?
Raven.
Zach, I have a special magic props here. Ha? Ito na lang, Kuya Zach, okay?
Huwag ka nasasama.
Okay, this called is magic fun. Kids, everybody say magic fun.
Magic
Make it
fan!
louder.
Magic
Kuya Zach,
fan!
madali lang to, ha? You blow, show, and open. Okay? As easy as that. See, madali lang yan. Blow, show, and open. Okay? Stand straight. Kuya Zach, blow mo ng malakas, ha? Blow. On the count of 3. Blow. The magic will happen right after you blow it. Ha? Blow. Hindi papalakpak sila. Okay? Blow. Palakpakan. Ready, Kuya Zach? Blow stronger. Show and open. Ha? Okay lang yung Kuya Zach. Ganito, Kuya Zach, ha? Blow, show, and open. Okay? Hawakan mo ng dalawang kamay, Kuya Zach. Kuya Zach, hawakan mo ng dalawang kamay. Very good. Blow, show, and open. Open. Like this. Blow, show, and open. Blow stronger. Huwag mong iigupin, ha? Blow. One more. Blow. Like this, Kuya Zach. Blow, show, and open. Okay, please hold the magic fan. Very good. Blow, show, and open. Open.
Okay.
Sir, 1-8 na po. Kuya Zach, stand up. Do you want to see a rabbit? Do you want to see a rabbit? Do you want to be a rabbit? No? Okay, please hold the magic silk. Very good. And lagay mo sa loob. Kids, everybody say rabbit!
Rabbit!
Make it louder, rabbit!
Rabbit!
Watch! Rabbit! Everybody say hi! Everybody say hi, doggy!
Ay!
Okay, ang pangalan niya Kids Doggy, ha? Everybody say hi, doggy!
Hi, doggy!
Zach, show it to the camera. Let's go, show it to the camera. It's okay, Kuya Zach. Sit down. Kuya Zach, show it to the camera and smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, thank you so much for helping me, Kuya Zach. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Thank you so much. Touch right here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, jump. Yes! Kids, everybody stand up and touch! Yeah. And touch gently. Touch gently. Okay. Very good, very good. No.
Ito the rabbit!
Okay. Okay, kids, everybody say bye-bye, doggy.
Bye-bye, doggy!
Bye-bye, doggy.
Bye-bye!
Okay, go back to your place. Go, 1, 2, 3, touch. Here's baby Lucas. Baby Lucas. Touch. Wow. Touch.
Yay! Thank you, Mama!
Everybody say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, thank you so much, Kuya Zach. Opo, palakpakan naman natin si Kuya Zach, guys. Thank you so much. Ang taas ng energy ni Kuya Zach, ha? Ang vitamins po 3 beses lang sa isang araw, ha? With energy drink, ha? Thank you so much. Now, is there anyone here who loves to draw?
Yeah!
Wow, very good. When I'm just 5 years old, I really like draw cartoon characters here in my whiteboard. Do you want to see a sample?
Yeah!
I did a volunteer. I did a volunteer. You stand up. Yes, Superman, come. Stand beside me. Yes. Okay. What is your name? What is your name? Sorry? Kuya Shan? Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Kuya Shan. Kuya Shan, don't move I'm gonna draw your face. Okay? Face that way and smile. Face that way.
Smile.
Smile. Smile. Very good. Don't move, Kuya Sean. Let's start drawing. Tingin lang doon, magkagalaw. Okay, now let's start drawing your eyes. Open your eyes. Make it big. Bigger. Very good. Don't move. Keep smiling. Next is the nose. Next is the mouth. And shape of the face. And last are the ears. Is there something missing? Right?
No.
Oh, very good. How old are you, Kuya Sean? 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's next? What's next? Eyelashes. Very good. What's next? Eyebrows.
Gumagalaw yung
That's
mata.
right. Kamukha na ba ni Kuya Sean? Thank you so much for having me, Kuya Sean. Joke lang.
Gumagalaw
Thank you
yung
so
mata.
much. Now, Kuya Sean, say hi. Hello. No, I said hi. Hello. Say hello. Hi. Kuya Sean. The reason why I invited you here, so to sing happy birthday. To Lucas. Asan si Lucas? Ayun si Lucas, oh. Ay, laki na. Hindi may bit-bit, si Lolo yun. Ayun si Lucas, oh. Hi, Lucas. Kakantaan mo si Lucas. Ng ano? Ng happy birthday. Ayoko. Buburahin kita. Sit down. Okay. Buburahin kita. Ayoko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Stop. Continue. Ibutas ang ilong mo. Now, sabihin mo, happy birthday, Lucas. Ayoko. Buburahin kita. Stop. Stop! Stop talking, okay? Stop talking, okay? Stop talking. Thank you for listening. Welcome. You know what, kids? I love magic, I love people, and I love pets. Do you want to see my pet? Yes! Clap your hands! Hey. Wake up. Wake up. Sino ka? Who are you? Are you my daddy? No? Mommy? Of course not. Who are you? My name is Jimson. And I'm a party host magician. Really? You're a magician? Yes, look at my outfit. Wow. I thought you're a technician. I'm not a technician. Beautician. Tantan! Wait. I want you to say hi to them. To them.
Hello.
Wow. Wait a minute. Where are we? Look, there's so many people. Maraming mga tao. Nasaan tayo? SM. No. Wala tayo sa SM. Andito tayo sa first birthday ni Lucas. Asan si Lucas? Ayun, no? Hi! Hi, Lucas! Magpakilala ka. Sino? Ikaw. Oo. Saan? Dito. Okay. Dito? Opo. Okay. Ngayon nga? Oo. Seryoso ka? Oo. Okay.